This is a 2010 Ford Taurus. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. All of the following features are included: aluminum wheels, traction control and stability control systems, cruise control, a leather-wrapped shift knob, the SecuriLock anti-theft system, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, an anti-lock braking system, solar tinted glass, and this vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency is still high on the list of priorities. This Ford has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.